Hello students, today you are going to continue the same chapter, factors and multiples. Already you have learned what is a factor. Once again I am repeating, then we are going to find all the factors of few numbers. Okay, now what is a factor? Factor means when a number divides another number exactly, that divisor is called factor of that dividend. Isn't it? That divisor is called factor of that dividend. Okay. Now, once again, I will explain with the example that one. I said the same number. I have taken 6. Okay. 6 is the dividend here. So, I am going to divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. So, remainder is 0. That means, remainder is 0. That means 6 is divided by 2 exactly. 6 is divided by 2 exactly. So, 2 is a factor of 6. 2 is a factor of 6. Okay. Now, shall we go to the questions? The first one, find all the factors of 42. Find all the factors of 42. Already you have learned the tables, multiplication tables. Okay. So, for small numbers, no need to divide and see. We can say the table and find out. For bigger numbers, we will divide and see. Okay. Now, factors, the smallest factor I already explained you in the previous video. The smallest factor is 1. That means we have to start from 1, table of 1. So 42 is divisible by 1. 42 can be divided exactly by 1. So the factors of 42, we can start from 1, okay, then 42 can be divided by 2, isn't it so? If 2 tens are 20, you know, further you don't know, so it's better you can divide and see. 42, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2, okay, so it is exactly divided. It is exactly divided. So, 2 can be a factor of 42. 2 can be a factor of 42. Now, let me take 3. So, for 3 also this is quite big number. Let us see. 3 1s are 3. Then 1 remaining 12. 3 4s are 12. So, 3 also divided 42 exactly. So, 42 is divided by 3 exactly. So, what is the factor? 3 is a factor of 42. Okay. Let us go to 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 10s are 40. 4 11s are 44. So, 42 is not coming in the table of 4. 42 is not coming in the table of 4. So, 4 is not a factor of 42. Okay. Let us take 5. Now, 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. So, now what you supposed to do? 42 will not come. 5 9s are 45. So, 5 is not a factor of 42. Now, 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. So, can I take 6 as a factor? So, 6 is a factor of 42. 6 is a factor of 42. Now, shall I take the next number 7? 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. So can I take 7 as a factor of 42? So 7 is a factor of 42. Okay. Like this we can keep on saying the table till 42. But it is a quite big number. Till 42 if you are keep on saying the table and finding out, it is quite difficult, isn't it? So I am telling you one shortcut. So listen to that carefully. You can understand. When you have the number like this, 6 sevens are, 7 6 are, 6 sevens are, 7 6 are, then no need to continue of saying the table. Just you take the quotient of these tables. Just you take the quotient of these tables, then you continue. Okay, just you see. Now 6 sevens are, 7 6 are. So I am not going to say the table now. Let me 7 6 are, 6 sevens are. These two numbers are over. Now we have divided by 3. What was the quotient? 14. So next number will be 14. In the table of 14, 42 will come. 14 threes are 42. Okay, then we will take 2. What was the quotient? 21. So 21 twos are 42. Then 1. Of course 42. 1 42s are 42. Okay. So no need to say all the tables. No need to say all the tables. Just you say as much as possible. When you get this kind of the same number repeated, the divisor as a quotient, quotient as a divisor, when it is like this, you can stop there. You can stop there. And after that, you can write the quotient of these divisors. Quotient of these divisors. Okay? Quotient of 3 से divide किया, मुझे 14 आया, तो मैंने 14 को उठा के लिख दिया. 2 से divide किया, मुझे 21 आया, 21 को उठा के लिख दिया. 1 से किया, तो 142s are 42, तो 42 को उठा कर मैंने लिख दिया, बस. Okay? After that, no need to say all the tables and continue this one. Understood? Once again I am telling, when like this divisor as a quotient, quotient as a divisor like this it comes, then no need to say the tables and find out. You just write the quotient of these numbers and finish it up. Okay? Otherwise, if you want to check whether ma'am is saying correct or not, you can keep on saying the table of 8. In table of 8, 42 will not come. Table of 9, 42 will not come. Table of 10, 42 will not come. Table of 11, 11 fours are 44, 42 will not come. 11, 12 fours are 12. In table of 12 also, 42 will not come. In table of 13, 42 doesn't come. In table of 14, 14 threes are 42. Okay. In table of 15, 42 doesn't come. In table of 16, 42 doesn't come. In table of 17, 42 doesn't come. In table of 18, 42 doesn't come. Table of 19, 42 doesn't come. In table of 20, no. Table of 21, 21 twos are 42. In table of 42, 42 ones are 42. So, in this way, no need to 40 till 42 we have to say the table. No need to be afraid of. Just you keep on saying the table until you get this kind of number. Once you got this kind of number, stop saying the table. Just you write the quotient of these numbers. Then you can finish it up. Have you understood? If you have any doubt, watch this video again and again. You will understand. Okay? Thank you.